What do you want to share with the world? It could be anything: your awesome gaming skills, a funny story, or even how to bake a cake. Once you have an idea, think about what you want to say in your video. It helps to write down the key points you want to cover. This is your video's plan. Next, think about where you'll film. A clean and clutter-free background is best. Good lighting is important too. Natural light from a window is great. Now you're ready to film. You don't need fancy equipment to make great YouTube videos. Your smartphone is a good starting point. It can record good quality video and audio. If you want better audio, consider using a microphone. A tripod is super helpful for keeping your camera steady. Nobody likes shaky footage. You can find affordable tripods online or at electronics stores. Remember, you don't need expensive gear when you're starting out. Focus on creating fun and engaging content. Before you hit record, take a deep breath and relax. Be yourself and have fun. Speak clearly and look at the camera as if you're talking to a friend. This helps you connect with your viewers. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone messes up sometimes. Just keep practicing and you'll get better over time. The most important thing is to be yourself and enjoy the process. Section 4. Making your video awesome with editing. Once you're done filming, it's time to edit. Editing helps you create a story and make your video more enjoyable to watch. There are many free and easy-to-use video editing apps available. You can use these apps to cut out any mistakes, add music, and even include text or images. Experiment with different editing styles and find what works best for you. Section 5. Sharing your masterpiece with the world. Now comes the exciting part: sharing your video on YouTube. First, create a YouTube account if you don't have one already. Then, click the upload button and select your video file. While your video is uploading, give it a catchy title and write a short description. Tell people what your video is about. Once the upload is complete, click publish. Congratulations, you're officially a YouTuber.